go.
Again, as part of our cool down, we do body weight movements. So another movement would be the press up. Loads of people get scared by these, but they're not as bad as you think. So to begin with, we're going to get down onto our knees. We're going to put our hands just under our shoulders here. From there, we're just going to think about turning our elbows in, keeping everything nice and secure, and dropping our chest to the floor. Here we have the support of our knees and not all of our body weight onto our hands and shoulders. From here, if you want to make it a little bit harder, a bit more challenging, walk your hands forward onto the mat and go onto your feet here. So now we're in a plank position, and then we press up and down. As these get easier, we can then look at widening our hands, so maybe wider than the mat, or even bringing them closer to target more of our triceps. And that's how to do a push-up.